Hi, I'm Scott, and today we're going to open up my new pressure washer and try it out and see how it is. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside this box. It's like Christmas again. This is the Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. It's actually the smallest of all the pressure washers they sell. Just because I have a house, I didn't need anything really big. Mostly driveway gutters and stuff like that. So we'll see what's in here. Looks like the hose, the wand, nice long cord. Reset. Oh, no ground, that's interesting. And the instructions there. There's my knife. Cut that off. Set that box over there. So there's the unit. 1600 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Electric. 2 different spray heads. It's like the soap pressure head, and the instructions there. There's the gun right there. It's got a good feel to it. Alright, let's open up the surface cleaner now. So this surface cleaner is for the low pressure, up to 2300. They sell a bigger one for the gas-powered units that handles up to 4000 psi, if I remember correctly. And there's the unit, a brush, and the sprayer heads. Alright, I got these at Home Depot, and there'll be a link down below to those if you're interested. So, okay, got this thing all hooked up, ready to go, really easy, everything snapped together really well. Word of advice, make sure you have the wand hooked up before you turn on the water. There's no valve inside that turns the water off without the power being on, so learn that one the hard way. If you're anything like me, you kind of have some satisfaction out of watching pressure washing, so hopefully this will be as rewarding for you as it is for me. Let's get started and see how this thing works. Mistake, didn't turn the water on. Let's try this again. All right, that works pretty good when I have the water on. Cleaned about half this square in about 10 minutes. I'm going to try the surface cleaner and see how that works. So I did this area right here with the surface cleaner and then rinsed it off with the pressure washer. And then this side I just did the pressure nozzle on here. I'm going to let this dry a little bit and then we'll compare it to, say, this section over here and these two sections right here, which haven't been washed or anything like that. Alright, so I've given this a chance to dry, and as you can see here on the left is where I've cleaned, and on the right where I haven't cleaned. So, so far it's looking good. It's tedious work at best. So we'll keep working it. Well, there you have it, all pressure washed. The whole driveway and the gutters on the front of the house on the lower side. I will have to get up there another time when I have a taller ladder. Overall, I'm really happy with this unit. It's great for a house with a small driveway and a patio, but if you're doing industrial work, definitely get the bigger one. Thanks for watching.